So hello guys, it's been a long time that I put any video, but now I've got the product that you all always wanted, the simtac hazard flasher. Now it's been a while that I was waiting for this product just because my bike is TVS Apache RTR 4V FI variant and I was not sure that this product may work on that. So finally I've ordered this. Now let's see whether this works on the FI variant, which is bs4. Now let's see what the simtac provides with their product. This is a sticker logo of simtac Auto. This is a mask which is necessary in the corona times. Now this is the box which came in a decent packing. Yeah, it is made in India product. Now let's see what's inside. Now this is a thank you card which is provided by the simtac. Now this is the module, actual module. The packing is quite good. It feels very strong and rigid. This is a warranty card provided with it. This is the switch, on off switch is provided with it. And last is this coupler wire which is used for short circuiting. Yeah, there is nothing else. Yeah, this is one, there is one zip tie here, nothing else. Okay, so this is the product. I will post the installing video soon, so stay updated.